In this video, I'm going to use JavaScript, and I'm taking this code from Espen Hoag's web portal, and we copied this code, and I've made some changes, and it now appears on the Vinegar Hill portal, and we have JavaScript for Black-Scholes. So let's just copy that snippet of code. Now there's one small difference between Espen Hoag's code and what we have here. I've put in an argument for the dividend, at least I had. At least now we have, right, we have Q, and we have Q appearing again. And for the Black-Scholes value for the call, we have E negative QT, and then for put parity to extract the value of the put, we've included here, we've discounted S by the continuously compounded dividend yield. So if we just take this function, copy, and then we go into Google Drive, and create a spreadsheet, Google Sheet, and we give this a name, so Black-Scholes and dividend, capital D, maybe 1, and we go into Tools, Script Editor, and we remove this function, and then we create a new function, and we'll save, and we'll say BS, okay, and now we should take just the name of the function and the way the variables are organized, the arguments are organized. We'll copy, go back into the Google Sheet, we can paste, and then we should order perhaps our variables in line with S. In fact, we have put call flag, we have then S with the X for the exercise, S is the underlying, T is the maturity of the contract, R is the risk-free rate, Q is the dividend yield, and V is the volatility. And we can put in, I think it's lowercase c will probably do it. For the call, 100, for the stock price, 100 for the exercise, T is 1 year, R will go with 5%, dividend 0, and then 20% dividend yield. And then we can take this function equal to BL Black-Scholes, and there's an S, and then lowercase div, and then okay, we'll say call, the stock price, the exercise, the maturity, the risk-free rate, the dividend yield, and the volatility, and then hit return, and the value should be 1045, which it is. And we can do a check here. We can say P for the put, and we get a value of 557, which is consistent with before. And then if we change the value of the dividend to 0.05, then the value of the call and the value of the put should be the same. at 7:57. So we change this to P for the put, and we'll get 7:57 repeating again. Oh, that's JavaScript, and we can use JavaScript in Google Sheets.